So I have opened two TIFF files, two raster files. These are the digital elevation models of Uttarakhand. The first one is this one, the one you are seeing on the screen. This is a digital elevation model of Uttarakhand region, and another one is again the same region. It's a particular region in the Uttarakhand state where you can see it's in a the resolution is higher here. That's why you can see the features a bit more clearly in this one. That is the difference between there are two digital elevation models here. One is in a lower resolution, one is in a higher resolution. Yeah, although this one is visible here, so but it's not that clear. So that this is the difference between two di difference between resolutions of two digital elevation models. The digital elevation model is a raster which is representing each cell is representing the altitude of the study area or whatever area it is representing. Okay, this you are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and I am performing the operations on this one, okay, on the smaller area because in GIS or any other software, whenever the area is more, you'll have to spend more time and more computational power to execute your work. So we are going to work only on this one, on this small area, okay? So I want you to like, I just showed you this thing just to show the difference between the resolution of the DEM and to get you an idea about how, where, like, to get you a kind of idea about where your area of interest is falling. So you can see yesterday, rather than like yesterday, we were seeing something around 28, something here it is, I think. Yeah, because this is in UTM zone. Okay, yesterday somebody was asking. This is the exact region. You can see. Are you seeing my screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
no.
Yeah. So here the projection is different. Here I've given WGS 84 UTM zone 44N. Here the reason I have given, you can see that it is exactly falling this region in India, where the Uttarakhand region is falling. You will come to know about in the theory. Did ma'am teach you about the projections and coordinate reference system in the class?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, this I'm not going into details, but definitely ma'am will teach you. But you can see that this area is this one. Are you seeing a red patch over here, a linear stretch of? Okay,
Yes,
sorry.
sir. We
Yeah.
can.
You can understand that this your our study area, the Uttarakhand region, is falling here only, right? Did you understand that? Here. So this is if I take
Yes.
a different one. Did you understand it is going down? And if I go somewhere else, it is moving here. So this is just to calculate the geometry of the area in a more accurate way. The WGS 84 was for the whole world. This system was for the whole world, but oops, here you are taking, where was it? Okay, wherever it was. I think if you go down, you'll get. Okay, wherever it is, so you'll get more precise, like so that we can you calculate the geometry of the region, like area or those things in a better way. That's why we're using this UTM projection here. The other one was WGS 84, which was more of used for a global level. Okay, anyway, uh, we are coming back to this one. Okay, should I pause and you want to come along with me now? Okay, that would be better, I think. Yeah. So I want you to open these two images and come to the first one. I want you to, some of you might be, if you are opening the first, this UKDEM later, after opening this one, this will be coming on top of this one. You can just move, like you can click over it and drag it down so that you can, the visibility, like the smaller region, like if a bigger region is covering a smaller one, you may not be able to see that because of it will cover the bottom layer completely. So you can just use your mouse pointer roll and you can just drag it and decide on what way you prefer. So I want you to open this one and see, come to the study area now. Okay, did you open? Did everybody open?
Yes,
If
sir.
you have, yeah, if you
Yes,
have
sir.
Yes, sir.
if I'm going fast, see, my point is I want everybody to kind of follow me. I know that that's not the like this is not the, I don't know, it's not a practical way. I cannot take everybody with me, but still I want, this is my thing, my way. Everybody has to follow. There should not be anyone left out. If you're missing something, just stop me. And like, so I know that there will be some problem in between, like your file hasn't been downloaded or some problems. You can stop me and ask for extra time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, definitely, please.
Yeah, sir, the picture for them AOI is blank here at my end. I really don't know why.
Okay, you have you downloaded that image which
Yes,
I have sent you?
yes, I did, but it came out blank.
Okay, no, did you open in QGIS or somewhere else? Did you open it in QGIS on this software? Did you open it? Hello?
Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Did you open it in QGIS?
No. When I downloaded it, I went to my downloads and then I clicked on it to view. Then it was
You are
blank.
not supposed to use any other software other than QGIS because it is a TIFF file, and the normal picture image viewers may not be. Were you there yesterday in the class?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Whatever it is, you were supposed to open the image in QGIS, in a GIS software, so that all the properties, we can exploit all the information in the image or in the TIFF file which is embedded. So like, did you open in the QGIS? Why don't you open it in QGIS? If you're using a normal image viewer, it might look blank only. Open QGIS, please.
Yes, I've opened my QGIS now.
Yeah, or go to the raster and you may add that dem AOI. Did you do that?
Oh, okay. I should click on raster.
Okay, here. Are you seeing my screen? Okay.
Yes,
Come
I'm
to
seeing
the
my
raster. Yeah, just see my screen, okay?
Yes.
So when you opened, you got something of this one, something similar to this one, a blank window with the QGIS.
Yes.
So you are getting something similar to this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Having a button like this, open data source manager. Are you having?
Let me see.
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Click over it. And are you seeing an option called browser, vector, and raster?
Yes.
Yeah. Click on the raster, and there might be, so you will be having something similar to this one.
Yes, sir.
And are you seeing 3 dots over here? There's a,
Yes.
yeah. And click over there, then go to the directory, go to the folder in which you have saved the dem and dem AI. Where is that?
Okay.
And open it. It should not be blank because other people are getting, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. It should not be blank.
Okay, so after opening.
Yeah, after opening, did you get something similar to this one? Like something.
After opening, It brought out another options.
Sorry?
It gave out another options that I'm to select from.
Show me your screen.
Okay. Then I have to join with my laptop. Let me join my laptop.
Okay.
Sir, I think you have to also add it. Then only it will come.
Okay, I have to add, right?
You have to add it.
Okay. Okay, yes. Yeah, it's there now, sir.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. There was some problem from my side. My internet went off. So did you get something similar to this one? What I have? Okay. So we have loaded two data sets, two raster images, two digital elevation models. Okay. So from here, what is our first task is derive, or like from this we are trying to derive the slope of the region. Okay, what is slope of a terrain? Like today you are like these are normally called terrain analysis in QGIS or terrain analysis in any GIS software. Okay, what we are doing today is terrain analysis. We are going to analyze the terrain, because for that we have a digital elevation model, one of the most essential thing for terrain analysis. And from here we have got the essential data sets here. From that, the first thing we are deriving the slope map of the region. Okay, what is slope? It is just the steepness or inclination of the terrain. Okay, that you people are like, you are well aware of what is slope and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, and on top of that, when you are opening here this DEM, you are having two values over here. One is 177 and another is 7221. These are the upper and lower limits of the region, like on the raster. Like these are this is the minimum elevation and this is the maximum. In Uttarakhand, you can see that around 200-meter elevation is also there. Around there is more than 7,000-meter elevation is also there. So these two things are these two values. There's one pixel with this value and there's another pixel with this value. These are the highest altitude, the highest point in Uttarakhand, and another is the lowest point. And if you want to locate it, you can locate it. I'll tell you that how to do that for any region. Okay. If you're provided with India and you want to know what is the lowest point in India in terms of altitude, and in terms of altitude, what is the highest point in India? So if you want, you can perform such operations on this raster image. So I want you to come to the DEM AOI profile. Somebody wants to say something? Okay, the DEM AOI, and come to raster. and you will be having a lot of options called in analysis. You will have multiple options. I want you to come to the slope and make sure that your DEM AI is selected. And these things are, you don't have to change it. This, I am not explaining each and every option. One is the ratio of vertical units to horizontal. This is the vertical exaggeration of the DEM, and I just want you to run it. Yeah, please.
So please repeat once again.
Yeah. Have you reached this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you come to raster and go to analysis? Okay, you want to know what is slope and all that. I'm not. You want to know that? No, right? You
No,
want
sir.
to,
No. Yes.
yeah.
That is what I'm asking.
Okay, I'm keeping it here. If you want, you can screenshot, or if you want. Okay. Did you get this one? I think you might need to present your work this way.
Yes.
This is the first step. Okay, are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
this? Everybody, I think you can screenshot it. If you want to do it in your own way, you screenshot your own screen. Otherwise, you can screenshot my screen.
Yes, sir.
Whatever it is, and put it in proper way. I should not be telling these things. You are familiar with these things, I think. Okay. Yeah, I use screen, like, did you get this one, this step? And click over it, slope, and come down and run. You'll definitely provide it with a slope. This is nothing. This is as easy as a cakewalk. Yeah, this, did you get this thing? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't get confused about this, the shape of this file, because I myself
Yes, sir.
cropped it. So it's, forget, for some other reason I have cropped it, and I send you this file, because if I send you some, normally the digital elevation model comes in 500 MB, 1 GB files, like for a bigger area. I have sent you a very small area with very low resolution. Otherwise, you can even find out the river and the valleys and all the stuff, because I send you a very low resolution to reduce the size so that everybody can easily download and we can perform the operation smoothly on your system. So here you can see that the values are ranging from what, 0 to 69. So here you can see there's a plain area which is having zero slope. What does zero slope mean? It's a plain area, right? There's no slope, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the highest one is here. So we have a slope map here. Okay, you can see that there's one thing called, are you seeing one option called, sorry, where's that? Yeah. Has everybody has got one thing called mutant? No, wait a second. It's not working. It's not working. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's not working. I'm sorry. Just a second, I'm coming back, okay? Okay, I'm sorry, something went wrong from my side. And okay, I I had sent two messages there. Okay, that is one is slope and another is aspect. Okay, so now we are provided with the top map of the region.
Excuse me,
And
sir.
yeah, please.
Sir, in my raster option, I have no analysis. The analysis option is not there, sir. When I click the raster.
There's no analysis over here.
Yes, sir. There is only, sir, raster calculator, align raster, and georeferences.
So other people are also having this problem.
Yes, sir.
For different versions, there are some different steps. There must be like
Okay, everybody's
carrying
having
more.
this problem, or only few people are having a problem? Sorry. Okay, few people are having. Okay, let me see that, how to follow that. Okay, that's a kind of weird problem. How many people are having this problem? More than 5 people are having this problem? So how many people are having this problem? At least message me, like, or something like that. How many people are having, or like,
Sir, I think 2-3 people are having the problem.
okay, let those people, like, how many are having this problem? I heard one is one, another one. Anybody else? Only one fellow is having the problem?
Sir, 2 people are having the problem because we
Yeah.
are using the different version of the software. Maybe.
Okay. No, but still, this is a very basic stuff. So you should be having this. Could you please go to help and see which version are you using? The QGIS.
So they can share their screen so you can find this option. It
3.2
must be
no,
there,
sir.
but somewhere else.
Because I don't want to slow down much today.